for you guys. Please don't feel bored. Okay, what I'm doing, so I'm starting from the scratch, second program. Okay, so let me start. So I'm taking one button. So right click, center, horizontal in parent, center, vertical in parent. Okay, so I'm just renaming task attributes. I'm opening that attribute. Okay, I'm opening that attribute. Then I'm renaming that as 1. Correct? I'm not doing anything. Where is 1? Okay. 1. Okay. So now it is okay now. Fine. So like that you have 2. Control C, Control V. Okay. You need to enter 2. Enter. Next. 1, 2. Okay. Next. Again. Control C, Control V. That is your 3. That is your 3. Enter. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 over. Now 4, 5, 6. Control C, Control V. 4. That is your 4. Enter. Next. Control C, Control V. Next. That is your 5. Enter. Okay, sorry. Control Z. Control Z. Okay. Here I need to copy, paste it. Next, Control C, Control V, 4 and 5. So I'll just rename it as 5. Okay. Now again, I'll copy the button 5. Then I'll paste it. So then I'll rename it as 6. Okay. Next, I'll copy the button 6. Then I'll rename it as button 7. Correct. Then I'll copy button 7. Then I'll rename it as button 8. Next, I'll copy button 8. Then I'll rename it as 9. Next, I'll copy button 7. I'll rename it as dot. Next, I'll copy dot. Then I'll paste it. I'll rename it as 0. Okay. Then I'll copy, paste 0. Then I'll rename it as what? Equals. Correct. Next, I want some more button. I'll copy 3. I'll paste it. Then I'll rename it as plus. Then I'll copy 6 and I'll paste it. Then I'll rename it as minus. Then I'll paste it. I'll rename it as multiplication. Then again I'll copy equals. Then I'll rename it as what? Divide. Then I'll copy divide and I'll paste it. Then I'll rename it as C. Clear. Correct? So this is over. Now I need a text view. What is my text view? I'll take the text view. Then center, horizontal in parent, center, vertical in parent. Correct? Then I'll just rename it as, what do I rename? Simple calculator /n result. Correct? Okay. Now I'll just increase the size. We have to increase the size. Text size. Okay, I'll make it as 24 dp. Enter. Okay, or else 33 dp. Enter. Okay. Now, next, I need a plain text, edit text, edit text. Okay, I'll take it as edit text. Then I'll expand till the end. Okay, so after expanding, right click, center, horizontal in parent, right click, center, vertical in parent. Correct? Okay, then I'll drag it and I'll place it here. Then I am renaming with a blank space. I don't want anything, so I rename it as with a blank space. Enter. So understood the design part. Simple calculator result. Edit text I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dot 0 equals to plus minus star divide C. Okay. Now for a edit text, I am renaming like I am giving the ID as input. Okay. I am refactoring the input. Okay. For 1, I am giving ID as 1. Okay. For 2, for 2, I'm giving it as 2 only. Okay. So anyways, please do follow. Since this is second program, I'm telling you like this. From next program onwards, I'll be keep on moving. Third program. Okay. Third button. Next. Fourth button. Fourth. Okay. Fourth. Then fifth button. Fifth. Okay. Sixth button. Sixth. Okay. Next. 1 second. Sixth button, sixth. Okay. Next. Seventh. Seventh button, seventh. Enter. Refactor. Next. Eighth button, eighth. Okay. Refactor. Ninth button, ninth. 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 Okay. Next. Dot. Dot. Dot only. I'll rename it as like that. See, it is easy to remember. Next. 0. I'll just rename it as 0 only. Next. Equals. I'll rename it as equal only. By default, it will be button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4. So you need to rename. Next. Plus. I'll rename it as plus. Minus. I'll rename it as minus. Minus. I'll rename it as minus. Next. Multiply. Mul. Division. Div. Okay. Next. Last. Clear. Clear. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now this part is finished. Okay. Now I'll go to the manifest file. Then I'll just change this as portrait only. Screen orientation portrait. Because if I rotate also, it should not go anywhere. Okay. So main over, manifest over.